This course does focus on new features in ASP.NET MVC5 and Visual Studio 2013, so if you have not worked with the MVC framework before, you'll want to start with one of my Building Applications with ASP.NET MVC courses. The most recent version at the time of this recording is Building Apps with MVC4. It is this building course that will introduce you to the underlying design pattern in ASP.NET MVC, the Model View Controller pattern, as well as look at each feature of the framework that you need to know in order to use the framework successfully. You should already know how to create a controller with actions, how to use a razor view, including layout views and partial views, and have some experience with the C# language and JavaScript. Everything in this building course is still applicable to the current MVC framework with just one exception. The membership and security module in MVC4 is now obsolete because of new identity components that we use with ASP.NET MVC5. And those components are covered in this course. Also worthwhile is the ASP.NET MVC4 Fundamentals course, particularly the async module and the Web API module. This course does assume that you have worked with async and await in C# and that you have some basic knowledge of the Web API and know that the routing is slightly different than the MVC routing rules. If you already feel like you've had a good introduction to these topics, then let's continue with what's inside of this course.